Concept Furniture. Homu 4-layer shoe rack. Assembly guide. Before you begin your assembly, make sure you have all your parts, including 3 pieces of wood planks, holes on the side, 1 PC of wood blink, with holes on top of the red side, 4 pieces of shoe rack support, screw, steel dowel fastener, cam lock screw. Make sure to have a screwdriver to help you tighten the screws. Top part of the support has big holes. Align the first wood plank with the holes just under the big hole of the shoe rack support. Place the screw carefully, and use a screwdriver to tighten down the screws. Repeat these steps until you attach the last black wood plank. For the top rack, place the steel down fastener, and screw them to be tight. Continue this until you fill up the 8 holes. Stand the whole shoe rack, and place the last plank at the top of the shoe rack support. Fill the big holes of the shoe rack support with cam lock screw. Here it is, the Homu 4-layer shoe rack. To shop, visit www.belowsrp.com.ph.